Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to check the game version in Steam. Now let us begin. Well, as you can see, I have already installed the application, that is Steam. Now all I want to do is check my game version. So I'm gonna go to one game right now. Well guys, this is the game for which the version I want to check. Well, it is quite easy. From here at the right hand side, you will see a button like this called as Manage. Click on it, and all you guys have to do from here is simply scroll right over to Properties. That is at the very bottom. Click on it right now. And once you do, this page will open up. From here there are lots of tabs, namely General, Updates and everything. And right now we do want to stay in the Updates tab. And guys, this is it. As you can see from here, you can see the app ID and the build ID here as well. This is the game version that you are looking for. That's it guys, that's how we check the game version in Steam. It is quite easy. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.